How to use Higgsfield Soul AI. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Chrome and then search Higgsfield.ai. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. At the top, click on Create. You'll find this kind of screen in here. At the bottom, you'll find Soul. Click on it and you'll find different AIs. Select Higgsfield Soul. Then beside it, you'll find ratio. Select the ratio you want. Beside that, you'll find quality of your picture. Select the one you prefer. Then on the right side, you'll find general. Click on general if you want a specific style, as you'll find different styles like sunset beach, Tokyo street style, Y2K posters, and everything. Select the one you prefer. After you've selected your character, in here add prompt. I have simply written a woman in her 20s standing wearing elegant outfit in the desert. Then click on generate at the bottom right corner of your screen and it will generate an image for you. It will take some time, but it will eventually create an image. And this is how to use Higgsfield Soul AI. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.